2012. Happy New Year, Mr. Tipton and Jack up there at the helm. Mr. Tipton, the navigator, Jack, our pilot, is taking us through this icy region of Mount Hood. What's up? What's up?
What'd you get?
Cabin.
Is it deluxe?
Rustic.
Oh.
We don't get deluxe on the first, we get rustic.
Kayabiking. Kayabiking is fun.
Our evening paddle. Your evening cold chili paddle.
Happy New Year!
Oh, Granger, hi. Happy New Year to you too.
Oh, there's gonna be an accident.
Oh.
Wait. There.
I have the rope that holds the tree that keeps the water in place on the first of the year. If I tug on this rope too hard, the tree comes down on my head, pushes me in the water, water goes up, it ruins the whole thing. What do you think about that?
Wait a minute, I got a rope that holds Jeff to the tree, to the water, and I'm not sure what else, but he's all tangled up in it.
Oh, geez.
I feel pretty.
And I have no rope. Bye-bye.
All in a winter's day.
Do not slip, remember. Disassemble.
Disassemble paddles at this time, gentlemen. And feed me paddles.
Alright, I got two disassembled paddles. Here's one that's safe because it's orange.
Where are we?
Ponderosa Pizza.
As
LaPine.
yes, as we should be, huh?
Yes, we should. Hungry.
What you reading?
Knowledge of places we can go. Maybe. Oh, here we are, South Ice Cave. It's been a while since I've been here. Snow covered. Not bad getting out here. Got Mr. Tipton waiting, and Jack's in the little house. The van, it just looks good anywhere. As long as it's outside on these type of roads, everything just looks good to that vehicle.
Happy camper.
Happy. They all look the same, the entrance. But this one's dramatized by snow. Dun dun dun. Mm. No helmet, no.
All that ice is so pretty. Just glistens.
This is great. We're down deep in one of South Ice Cave's chambers, and we're at almost the
I don't want to go in.
the last one, and it looks pretty tight.
It opens up into a little room in here, but I can't get in there from here.
He lies! He lies! He can get in!
I don't know. His head is.
There's a secret room in there, Jim, for you. I can't enter.
Just go.
Do not have the
Just
key.
go.
I don't have the key.
Get the hand in there with the camera. Show us.
Yeah, at least film it.
So there's no way into that hole? I see you. I see you.
Yeah, this is where Lim was trying to get.
Ah, man, that's a tight pinch.
And now there's an arrow on this side.
What? He's above me.
Was there a bear? Okay, watch your footing. You don't have anything. Nothing.
Nothing.
Was it good?
Yeah, it opens up back there.
We're so difficult.
Trying it again.
It's totally cool.
It just doesn't capture it.
Sorry, crystals.
Oh, that's beauty. Oh, look at that! Yeah, that was nice.
Nice.
That's a. Oh, the bad knee.
He emerges from birth.
Back at an injury with him.
We don't want to drag you out, dude.
No bonk head.
He did good.
That was awesome.
Still a beautiful day out there.
Going in cave number 2.
I sure hope it goes nowhere, because I don't want to go in there.
I get your angle. That's the exit. That's the light shining on the ice floor. It's kind of cool. Would you say that that's kind of cool? Like,
Yeah, I like the fact that it's also the exit. As long as we got Lim's injury on film. This sport can be dangerous. Awesome weekend.
Happy New Year.